this is Mrs. D in the nurse's office, and welcome back. Glad to have everybody here, whoever's online. And things are going to look a little different this year. You could come on into my office. We do have some stars on the floor. We have some spacing going on in here. You're going to want to stay 6 feet apart when you come into the nurse's office, and you're going to want to have your mask on. Things this year are going to be a little bit different, as we all know. You're going to want to make sure that you have your temperature checked before you come to school. And if you have a fever, 100.4 or higher, if you have any signs of illness, you're going to want to stay home this year. So come on in and you can take a look around. It's a little bit different. We have a spacing where you can sit down if you're not feeling well or if you get injured. Everything with that is going to pretty much stay the same. If you require medication, you're still going to come to the nurse. We're going to have you kind of space out when you're in here. I'll have water available, or you can bring your own water bottle, and we'll be able to do that for you. We're still going to require all the immunizations that are usually required for school, so if you've received a phone call from us that immunizations are required, give us a call back and let us know where we stand. We're also going to have a room if you're sick where you're going to go this year. It's separate from my office. It's still right around the corner. And you're just going to come into this room where we're going to wait for parents to come and pick us up. Okay, it's just a little separate from everybody else, just to keep everybody healthy. You're going to keep your mask on if you can while you're in here, and you're just going to rest until someone comes to pick you up. Okay, and then we can go back to my office. And just so parents know, we still need permission for any medication at school from the doctors. I do have forms here. There are forms online. We're going to do some good hand washing this year, use hand sanitizer, and we're hoping for a happy and healthy school year. Hope to see you soon. Bye.